proof that you can have a really good roasted chicken and vegetable meal on a weeknight. I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having chicken drumsticks and some roasted vegetables. Let's see if I can beat the clock. Starting out with chicken drumsticks. These are from a local farm here, one of our great friends. It's our last actually pack of chicken that we have from them. I've got to order some more. If you can, buy your meat local. I'm adding this Fire and Smoke Society go-to blend. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, and a bunch of other really good stuff in it. It's best to elevate and use some kind of wire rack. I don't have a wire rack that fits very well inside of my small pans. Really good amount of seasoning. Since it's skin on, I'm good with a lot of seasoning. I want a tiny little bit more olive oil here. Just make sure that we're coated on both sides and rub that in. Hopefully I like the seasoning. Dirty hand, clean hand. This is gonna go in the oven, 425 degrees for 30 minutes. We're gonna be cooking this as long as we possibly can. Then go wash your dang hands, people. Roasted vegetables. If you've been here for a minute, you know that I love a good fridge clean out. We are using vegetables that really probably are on the last leg of their life. If we cook them, they'll be fine. I've got a half a head of cabbage and a handful of carrots. Get these washed up, chopped up onto the tray and in the oven for that. Hopefully we can get this done in 5-ish minutes, so it can be in the oven for 25 minutes. Cabbage wedges. Don't have a very big pan. Just do 4 little wedges of cabbage here. Carrots. I want leftover carrots. I eat carrots, cooked carrots in particular, like candy. I really, really love roasted carrots with my chicken and in the juices. So if I run out of space on here, I'm popping a few carrots or right around those chicken drummies. If our daughter were here, she'd go, I peel. So cute. None of this is going to waste, all going in the freezer for my next veg or chicken stock or chicken veg stock, whatever stock I do. Carrot sticks, that thickness. It's a lot more carrots than what I thought. I don't want to steam them too badly. So get these lined up like that. A few of those are gonna go on with the chicken. I'm just gonna add a little bit more seasoning onto our carrots. These are going in the oven, top rack. Our other veg, a nice layer of olive oil, and then more of our seasoning. I want to make sure that everything gets coated on both sides, so I'm just going to flip over, flippity flip, oil, flippity flip, season into the oven. We've already had mashed potatoes once this week. I really don't want mashed potatoes. Don't have room for potatoes in the oven. Let's do some rice. Why not? Really cool thing about rice, 20 minutes every single time. Know that by heart. 1 cup of jasmine rice, pop it in here. We're gonna rinse this under cold water till it runs clear. I would show you, honestly, I'm not moving my camera. I'm moving my camera because I have to show you all of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 cups of liquid chicken broth. Would be really good. I did add salt while I was on the phone with Derek. Trust me on it, I promise I did. I'm just waiting on my liquid to boil. We are going to cover this. This pan, if you've followed me for a minute, you've seen my hack before. This pan doesn't seal perfectly. You can see the steam escaping from the side. With rice, you want to make sure that you're steaming it, keeping everything close. So as soon as this comes back to a boil, I'm just going to stir it one more time. I think we're there. I'm going to reduce this to a simmer. And then my hack is to use some tin foil over the top to seal it tightly. I don't know where I learned this from. I definitely cannot take credit for it. Put my lid back on, leave it on the burner, 20 minutes. It will be ready to go when they walk in the door. That's it. All my stuff is cooking. I'm gonna go do dishes. I'm not gonna show you that stuff. We'll come back and show you the finished meal. I just checked their location. They're about 8 minutes away from home. This is gonna go in a 40-minute meal, which actually it's working out better. Bone-in chicken needs a little bit longer to cook. I'm good. I know I said 30 minutes at the beginning. I'll correct it. You guys are probably getting tired of my time corrections. I'm just giving you reality of what it's like once you start cooking. How long can we really get it done? And a lot of times I think I can do 30. Tonight's one of those where I didn't quite beat the clock. I need to have a playlist down below for the didn't quite beat the clock. Still doable on a weeknight. It's way too long of a name for a playlist, but if you have an idea of what I should call this, let me know, because I'm dropping this video into that playlist. They just drove by to their parking spot, so I'm gonna check this. Actually, we're cooked. What? Cooked, which is awesome. That's crispy skin back there too. Let me show you these coming straight out of the oven. And there's the cabbage and carrots on the other pan. We are ready to eat. You're so happy. I have a banana ready for you. I'll be back to show you guys the plate and the bite. Look at this plate. We have cabbage. That is so perfect. I've already had a couple of bites. Our chicken drummies are nice crispy on top. Again, wire rack would be perfect. This white rice, so fluffy. A little bit of cabbage steak, and then these carrots that we're cooking in those chicken juices. They're gonna be so wonderful. I'm starting with the rice. I've been thinking about this. A little bit of fleur de sel right on top. I feel like I'm not getting any. There we go. My favorite. Let's do a carrot, some chicken. It's so hot. Thumbs up though. This is so good. I'm gonna go eat with my family. Have a great night. Thanks for sticking around.